You told me that you love me if I never change. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on and out of the rain. Hey, hey, hey!
Ganda.
Ganda, dear.
Kamusta ka? How are you?
Okay naman ito. More homosexual than ever.
Coming in out of the rain. It's raining lots of
Cats and dogs?
cats and dogs, beautiful people.
Yes.
And
It's actually a babala for the monsoon season. Come on in out of the rain. Make sure may payong.
make sure may kapote, di
And
ba?
make sure merong love and light.
Di ba? Love and light. Oh my God, you know what? I'm so excited for today's episode kasi she is really exuding love and lots of love and light.
Yeah, some would say she is so bright, she can actually light up the whole Meralco plant.
Not just Meralco plant, but the power plant.
I mean, and I guess that makes her a certified plant tita. Pero mamaya na yan. Like, pasabikin natin ng kaunti ang audience
Wait lang
because
kayo.
this is our last episode of the year.
Yes.
What a year it has been.
Indeed. Ang daming nangyari. Ang dami ding blessings.
Correct.
But also, lots of busy ganaps.
Correct.
All over, di ba?
But I guess, we've been saying this all year-end special episodes long, but DDS Nation, Dog Show Divas, you have been the biggest gift to us.
You know what? We're very thankful to all our listeners and to all our supporters. Ginrant namin ang inyong mga kahilingan.
Correct.
Di ba?
Kumbaga, sa programa na Wish Ko Lang, natupad po siya talaga.
Pero syempre, itong mga liham na inyong ipinapadala
Correct.
ay talagang mas makabuluhan at mas makatotohanan.
Yes. Di ba nga sabi ni Jaja Padilla,
Oo.
Liham, ako'y tao lang na nadadarang at natutukso rin.
Hiram natin. Ay, hindi, liham natin.
Liham natin.
Oh my God, ang iconic ng teleserye na yan.
Nahiram.
Hiram, oo.
Correct.
Oo.
Diba? It's giving borrowed
It's giving...
in English. Yeah.
It's giving loan.
It's giving buy now, pay later. It's giving yung mga scam texts na need loan, need cash.
Oo.
Oh.
Text 111 and
Correct.
send to
Correct.
2366.
Sa mga scammers, tigil nyo na.
Tama na.
Tama na.
Diba?
Tama na.
Pero ito, walang pipigil.
Walang pipigil.
Kumapit kayo.
Kumapit kayo.
Wait lang, parang may naririnig akong footsteps.
Correct. Oh my
Oh,
God.
wait.
Heels?
Yung doorbell? Doorbell ba yon?
I think that is just the sheer power of her soul.
Oh my God, this is it. I'm preparing.
Oh my God.
Let's channel her.
Alam ko kaya.
Wait, ayan eh. Kanina pa nagdo-doorbell. Papasukin na natin.
Baka mag-walk out siya.
Baka
Hindi,
magalit
kaka-doorbell
eh.
niya.
Oo, baka bumalik ng Ignacia to. Joke lang. Let's all welcome
TLC herself, the legendary Charo Santos!
Hello.
Isang karangalan.
My pleasure to be here.
Hi, welcome to
Have a seat,
our set. We don't live here. Yes. Yeah, this is just a set. This is all pretend. Hi, Ma'am Charo.
Hello,
Grabe, hindi ako
Mouse,
makapaniwala.
Makoy.
Oh, hindi po ako makapaniwala, CSC, na nandito po kayo sa
Bakit
aming
naman?
podcast.
Correct.
Hindi ako makahinga. De, joke lang.
Pero di ba talaga CSC ang tawag, di ba?
Yes,
It's
CSC.
giving signatory ng payroll. Di ba?
Tama. Oo.
Noon ang acronym, di ba?
Di ba, remember we told you, kapag 3 letters na ang tawag sa'yo, you've made it.
Correct, di ba?
Oh,
So,
diba?
I love the CSE era. It's giving leader of a nation.
Oh my gosh.
And we would want to be led by you.
Oh.
So, Ma'am Charo, this is our year-end episode.
Yeah,
So, we kind of
okay.
need to, we want to look back at the year that was. So, gusto naming malaman, how was your 2025?
Oh, youthful.
Youthful!
And very happening.
Ay!
Youthful, it's giving come back to the young and beautiful you.
Yes,
Yes.
youthful. It's giving bagong pitas.
Yeah, it's
Diba?
it's giving parang fresh produce, 'di ba? Kumbaga youthful, it's giving rejuvenation.
Yeah, it's giving paraben-free, gluten-free, and tax-free.
And
yes.
non-GMO.
Yes. Sabi ni Ma'am Charo, bakit ako nag-yes dito? Diba?
And alam mo, ang ganda nung sinabi ni CSC, youthful and happening.
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 Yes. Diba?
Oo. So, I guess dahil nga MMK ang inyong, legacy and we love it so much. It is the gift that keeps on giving. Kung gagawin nating MMK title ang 2025 nyo, anong title to? Anong mga title to, if ever?
Kung first quarter.
Ay,
May
diba?
quarter?
It's
Oh
giving
my God.
business review,
Okay,
Q1.
okay. Fiscal year, okay. Sige
Okay.
po.
Kayod.
Kayo.
Q1,
Ayan.
kayod.
Oo.
Diba? Dapat ganyan talaga. Pag first quarter. Second quarter, kayod pa.
Kayod pa.
Ayan.
Kayod pa.
The Carrier single of Miss Charo's latest album, Kayod pa.
Alam mo, pwede natin siyang gawa ng kanta under Star Music. Kayod pa.
How would the first line go?
Ikaw ba'y masipag? Ikaw ba'y malungkot?
Gusto mo bang maging happening ngayon, iho?
At youthful?
Kayod
Pa.
mga tita.
Kayod pa mga tita. Wait, okay. Sorry, CSC.
Sorry, we rudely interrupted
Sorry.
you very, very clearly.
Okay. Q3 po. What is your
Q3,
word?
VK na.
Ay, sana all nagbabakasyon agad ng Q3.
Alam mo, sorry, CSC,
Yes.
hihimayin lang natin ang mga quadrants.
Oo.
Q1, you work.
Correct.
Q2, you
Work
work,
Work
hard.
hard. And then Q3, you
Pause.
rest.
Pause.
Yeah.
Oh my
Pause.
God.
You have to breathe.
Ang ganda.
That is
Okay.
very important.
Very
And for the
zen.
last quarter,
The last
Yes.
quarter.
opalite.
Opalite!
Gusto ko yung gano'n ni Miss Charo.
And my mama said, it's alright.
Hindi namin kinakanta yung lyrics, not because we don't know the lyrics,
Yes.
because baka makopyright kami ni Taylor
Apa.
Swift.
Yes.
Apa. Iba po.
Nako.
Ay, mahirap
Okay.
na. Just lang.
Hindi natin mapalabas.
Oo nga.
Episode.
Pero actually, perfect segue yung sinabi niyo, Ma'am Charo, because napansin talaga namin, talaga nga namang sayaw po kayo ng sayaw sa TikTok.
Opo. Ano po ba ang ating goal?
Opo.
Diba?
Ano po ang pinaglalaban natin, actually?
That I have nothing to prove.
Yun!
Oh.
Ang ganda. Kayod pa, Vicana, Opalite, I have nothing to prove.
Oh,
Diba?
diba?
Tapos after that, walk out.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng powerful word na yon. CSC, can you, kunwari ako po ay producer from
Mhm.
Star Cinema. Yun po ang audition line na sasabihin po ninyo sa pelikulang Kayod pa. Ang word po, I have nothing to prove. In 3, 2, 1, action.
I have nothing to prove.
Ganda. Cut! Ang ganda.
We have it. Tapos
We
na.
have it.
No edit, no post-production. Ito na yon.
Market direct.
Market direct. Sabi ng direct, isang take lang yun eh. Ano yung mark?
Di ba? Ang ganda.
Oh my
I
God.
have nothing to prove.
I have nothing to
Also,
prove.
just this whole energy of like, dalawang bakla, daming gustong sabihin, daming gustong patunayan, pero si Ma'am Charo, isang sagot lang. Tapos.
Oo, di ba? Kumbaga, very wise.
So, this whole air of you just being so present and being so calm, have you always been like this? Because this is very much a big part of the brand imagery that we have come to love.
I think so. Yeah, I've always been calm, but I think I am more mindful now. Diba? Been there, done that. So, mas relax ka na. Enjoy mo na lang ang buhay. Who says life stops at 70? Diba? Life doesn't stop when you become a senior citizen. You just get all the discount.
Life doesn't stop. Remember that, ha? Lagyan nyo ng subtitle. Life doesn't stop. It can only give you discounts.
Yeah.
Like 20% to be exact.
Correct. 15 off, 20 off.
Correct. I love that, Ma'am Charo. Thank you. So, ang dami kong natututunan
Oo.
agad. Honestly, parang gusto kong ipa-cancel yung therapy sessions ko. Kasi
Oo.
parang okay na ako eh.
Parang yung kindness and calmness ni CSC, talagang nai-imbibe ko din.
Yes, I love that so much. Pero of course, dahil ito po ay Dog Show Divas,
Okay.
kailangan po talaga namin kayong dog showin at lokohin.
Sure.
Okay? So,
Halika.
ang pangalan, sabi niya, halika, natakot ako, dear! Natakot ako! Natakot ako,
Let's do this. Yes.
Okay. 'Di ba? So, chacharutin lang namin ang inyong pangalan, 'di ba? To inspire some questions. Like, kunyari,
Okay.
Charo Santos, pero this time, babaklain namin sa kategoring Charot Santos.
Ay.
Ang Tokyo, Japan na o Kerry Bells pa?
Carrie Bells pa.
Mm.
Pero Tom Jones na.
Ay!
Pwede bang ma-Sharon yung mga snacks?
Ay, bet!
Bet na
Bet na
bet!
bet! Tom Jones.
Diba?
It's giving, I'm hungry.
Correct. It's
Yeah.
giving food pyramid.
The hierarchy of food pyramid.
It's giving vintage.
Oh my God! And it's giving tayo ni Ma'am! Oo, Tom Jones. Alam mo yan, Tom Jones na yan, maiba lang ako ng kaunti, CSIA, tsaka Baus. Ang Tom Jones, ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay hango sa salitang Tommy Lee Jones, na ibig sabihin hungry na.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
So, kung kayo ay Tom Jones for life, Tom Jones for pera, same.
Pero ano bang origins ng charot?
Ang charot, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, Miss Charo, is in 1986, there is this woman named Charo Santos. And
Different from you, ha?
Different po,
Opo, iba pa po to.
Nagpunta po siya ng restaurant.
Okay.
At umorder po siya ng fried chicken.
Alright.
Tapos, nag-joke po siya. And then, hindi nakuha ng waitress.
Yes.
And then, Charo said, charot lang.
Ganon.
Doon po siya nang
Totoo
nagalit.
yan.
Hindi po kasi yung show po namin promotes historical revisionism.
Yeah, yun po talaga yung nangyari doon.
Mm-mm.
Opo.
Ganun
Yes,
talaga.
opo.
Yun ang
Ganun po.
origins.
Yun ang,
ha?
for now, yun ang
For
origin.
now.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero
Oo.
joke po talaga
Joke
yung
po
ibig
talaga
sabihin
yun.
nun.
Created
Oo.
by the dog show.
Yes,
Yes,
correct,
yes.
correct.
Oo.
Nasa archives po yan.
Your version.
Yes, our
Okay.
version.
Okay,
Alright.
next. Ito naman, CSC. Sa kategoryang Carrot Santos, ano po ang inyong paboritong gulay?
Ano pa? Carrots.
Ah!
Oh, di ba? Oo.
Carrots
Oo.
na rich in beta-carotene
Yes.
that helps for the eyesight that I feel is also very valuable for actors dahil nga mata-mata acting.
Yes.
Nag-Meissner acting workshop si Ma'am Charo lately, no?
Yes.
Di ba?
Oo.
So, yan po bang mata-mata acting, ano po ba ang tips nyo dyan in terms of just delivering emotion and story without the power of words?
You have to get into the situation and you have to imagine that your character is actually feeling the emotions that the script requires or the scene requires. So you drop yourself, you drop your persona,
Nako.
dapat ma-actualize sa'yo yung character na ginagampanan mo.
Okay, sige. CSC, etong gagawin. Very quick lang. Kunwari, anak mo ako na hindi nagpakita sa'yo ng 20 years.
Mhm.
I lived in the US. Iniwan
Mhm.
kita.
Mm-mm.
This is my brother na naiwan sa'yo.
Okay.
Ngayon lang ako dumating ulit sa Pilipinas. Galit ka sa akin. Hindi mo ako tanggap. Action.
Hindi kita tanggap.
Hindi nyo na ako tanggap kasi
Okay.
iniwan ko kayo eh.
Mhm.
Dumating ako sa bahay. Tok, tok. Action. Ma, nandito na ako.
Anong ginagawa mo dito? Hindi kita kailangan.
Cut! Ganda.
Pero grabe na, like, I wasn't even like looking at her, but I was feeling the nucleus of the story she was trying to tell. I felt it. I was in that atmosphere with her. So, Meryl Streep, ano na? Kaya mo ba to?
Ay!
Diba?
Kaya.
No, pero actually, I'm quite curious, Ma'am Charo, because you have been acting for quite a while now. Are you able to spot if there are maybe some actors who are just winging it and not really going all the way there?
Of course.
Oh.
Yeah, oo.
Mm-mm.
Kasi observant ka naman eh. As an actor, you have to be observant. And then, yung iba kasi dala ng kabataan.
Okay.
Di ba? Hindi pa alam ang buhay. But there are those who are really gifted. Bata pa, malalim na
Mm.
ang pangunawa sa human emotions.
Got it.
Yan.
Love
I
it.
love it.
The hierarchy of emotions.
Correct,
Yes.
di ba? So sa larangan naman or category na Tarot Santos, if you are, let's say, if you can see the future at kung kayo ay part pa ng operations ng ABS-CBN, what do you see for Dog Show Divas in the future?
Ay.
Like, how will you package us to, further build us para po sumikat pa kami?
Parang nararamdaman ko magpepelikula kayo.
Ito na, gusto ko na talagang i-revive natin yung patikim ng pinya.
Oo. Ako alam mo, pangarap kong maging actor talaga. Oo. Feeling ko Ma'am Charo, pang MMFF for 2026.
Diba? Let's manifest
Let's
that.
manifest.
Correct.
MMFF,
Yes.
which means Madam.
Fight.
Fight.
Yes.
Kayod lang.
Yun, di ba?
Ko, nakakaloka.
Madam, fight.
Kayod lang, di ba?
Oo.
I love it. It's giving battle cry ng isang sales rally.
Correct. Pero bago tayo yan, mag-sales rally, eto ma'am sa kategoryang Borrow Santos, according po sa inyong libro, you became a breadwinner of your family at a very young age and took out a loan. And pero, syempre, sa mga audiences po nating nakikinig, ano ang advice nyo para sa mga breadwinners?
Laban lang. Laban ng laban.
Kayod pa.
Yeah. Siguro ang added layer dyan, I think breadwinners also feel like they never get to care for themselves anymore because it's always, palabas for the members of the family. Anong message nyo of just self-care for the people who have been providing for a long time and who may feel like, they may be a little depleted already?
It's self-love. Mahalin mo ang sarili mo. Don't ever think that helping your family is an obligation. Do it out of love para magaan. It doesn't seem like a burden.
Got
Diba?
it.
It's all about perspective.
Yeah.
Kasi marami naman talaga sa atin ang nagiging breadwinners at tumutulong sa pamilya natin. So kung ang perspective mo ang bigat-bigat, bibigat eh.
Tama.
Pero kung ang perspective mo, ginagawa ko to kasi mahal ko ang pamilya ko, magaan lang. But don't forget yourself,
Yeah.
syempre. You always have to care for yourself and love yourself. Buo ka dapat. Your sense of worth, self-worth,
Yeah.
has to be strong.
That's good.
Yeah.
Kailangan mahal mo ang sarili mo din.
Correct. Yes. Diba?
Oo.
Kumbaga, offer your cup overflowing, something like that.
Yeah.
Diba? Dapat nag-uumapaw ka din.
Yes.
With love for yourself.
I think there should be boundaries also. Hindi naman yung todo talaga bigay. I think you also hope that the members of the family that you're helping will also do their best to make sure na titindig sila sa sarili nilang.
Natandaan nyo yan, Si CSC na mismo ang nagsabi, wag todo-todo.
Correct.
Magtira
Yeah.
para sa sarili.
Boundaries are important.
Very
Okay.
important.
So sa category naman pong Laro Santos. So sabi nga namin kanina, lagi po kayo nagti-TikTok. Trip niyo po ba talaga to? Or meron po pumipili sa inyo? Blink twice if somebody is asking you to dance more than you should.
Feel ko talaga.
Alam mo, yun ang
Frustrated dancer yata.
Ay,
ako.
talaga?
Parang. Parang it's a discovery, di ba? Kasi na-enjoy ko siya eh.
Pag
Na-enjoy ko
nakikita
siya.
ko yung mga TikTok nyo, CSC, talagang natutuwa ako. Kasi sabi ko, OMG, talagang youthful ang ang atake. 'Di ba? It's happening. Yun ang peg eh.
I'm doing it because I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it. I'm not out there to prove anything.
Pero this particular switch na, you know what? I'm gonna go do TikTok. Like, specifically, like, which point in your life or what was maybe happening around you na tipo, you know what? I don't care. Or parang, it's all about having fun. Do you know, like, the specific moment
Actually,
that
it was
all
an
clicked?
accident.
Oh.
Oo, nasa set ako ng Batang Quiapo and then there was this lady over there who showed me a peg. Sabi niya, ma'am, gawin mo to kasi artista ka naman eh. So you can actually do the monologue. So tinignan ko, tapos sabi ko, okay to O sige, gawin ko. Ganun lang. And then it hit millions.
Grabe.
So that was the start of my
Correct.
TikTok
Oo.
era.
Grabe.
And then I went into dancing.
Wow.
Yes.
Doing the trends.
Yes, the dramatization, 'di ba?
Yes.
Yes.
Kung
Yeah.
nagahiwa ka ng
Carrots.
Kita ko yun eh.
Diba?
Oo.
So, grabe, no? May nakauto kay Ma'am Charo. Akalain mo yun?
Oo, may nakauto.
Sino
Oo.
ba yun?
Sino?
Bakit mo inutusan si Ma?
Correct. Diba?
Grabe ka naman.
Sana masaya ka sa mga desisyon mo sa buhay.
Ma'am Charo, kung kayo po ay magiging Waze or Google Maps voice, bigyan niyo po kami ng voice over ng Charo Santos station, but the peg is
Tapos
Kisap
MMK.
Mata with MMK feel.
Kisap Mata with MMK
Yes.
feel. Okay.
Action!
Nandito ngayon tayo sa Quezon Avenue, kakaliwa ka ng EDSA, kanan ng Scout Albano. Ay, nalubak, wag dyan. Dumiretso ka, lampasan mo yung lubak, kumaliwa ka sa Sergeant Esguerra, at kumanan ka sa Mother Ignacia. Ayan na, malapit na ang gate. Makikita mo na yung gate. O, kumanan ka na, preno ng konti. Ay! Nawalan kayo ng poise. Okay.
I love it.
Ganda.
Panghusga ang Waze
Oo!
voice. Yun ang gusto natin, di ba?
Ang Waze natin ay may artificial intelligence. Kasi nakita niyang nawalan tayo ng poise.
Diba? Alam mo, parang yun ang kailangan nating Waze ngayon, yung boses ni Ma'am Charo actually leading you
Oo.
not just to the physical direction, but to like the direction you take in life.
Correct.
Mm.
In 300 meters, mag-vacation ka.
In 400 meters, i-ghost ka ng kadate mo.
Oh.
Ganon ang life direction.
Correct. So, Diyos ko, alam mo, pwede natin gawin to buong araw. Ang saya-saya
Oo
with
nga
Ma'am Charo.
eh.
But we are down to our last few questions.
Yes.
So, Ma'am Charo, medyo dog show na to ha. So, sa MMK, lagi kayo nag-open ng letters.
Okay.
So, gusto naming malaman, ano ang paborito nyong letter of the alphabet?
You.
You.
Me?
I.
You, that means youthful, and I, that
You
means
Means iodized
I.
salt.
yes. Yes.
Yes.
You and I. Eto, ma'am. Di ba ang mga letter po, kadalasan, di ba, sa old ways, nilalawayan yung seal ng envelope. Opo. Naamoy niyo po ba yung essence ng natatanggap nyo? Curious lang po, for hygienic purposes.
Haven't you heard of a letter opener?
Oh. Alam niyo, pwede rin po
Tapos
kayong
pag
drag
nabuk-
queen. Sa sobrang biting ng humor niyo. Mhm.
Pag nabuksan ko, naaamoy ko minsan yung scent. Minsan may iba naglalagay ng perfume. Yes.
I'm curious. Anong mga notes ng perfumes ang inyong favorite? Yung parang, di ba, yung mga sandalwood, mga ganyan. Ano yung favorite niyong notes ng mga scents?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. It's giving bigas.
Oo, diba? Sinandomen.
Oo.
Yeah.
Dinorado.
Oo.
Hasponica.
Brown rice. Jasmine. What else, Ma'am Charo? What else?
Ano pa? I want citrusy, the citrusy scent.
The
also.
citrusy
Same.
scent.
Para bright
Yeah.
and stimulating agad.
Yes.
Love it.
Diba?
So, ganun. Pag mag-aano kayo ng mga letter,
Correct.
Ganon.
Lagyan nyo ng daladdan
Oo.
para maamoy ni Ma'am.
Yung kalamansi, pigain yung ganyan, no? Oo. Joke lang.
And then of course,
May
buti...
sumusulat pa ba? Parang wala na. no?
Actually,
Lahat ano na.
Parang kumukonti or umuonti na.
Kumukonti.
Kumukonti.
Kayo, nagsusulat pa
Hindi
kayo?
na. Siyempre, text and
Text
Text na
apps.
eh, no?
Actually, which reminds me, since we text a lot and nasa digital forward, na tayo, era, what is your favorite emoji to use?
Yes.
Heart.
A heart.
Again, love and light.
Yeah.
Oo, iba
Oo.
talaga eh, no?
Oo.
Tsaka ano din. Pero aside from emoji, ano ang favorite niyong greeting na matanggap sa umaga or in a day? Pagka nakakarinig kayo ng ganong word, parang nababrighten up yung araw ninyo.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Oh, I
ma'am.
love it.
Correct. Maganda yung my ma'am kasi merong recognition of power.
Hindi naman. Kasi nag-iisa na ako sa bahay. Ang mga kasama ko for 35, 40 years na. So we're like family.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
yan. Every morning, they've been trained to greet each
Mm-mm.
other.
Aha,
Oo.
yeah.
Iba naman, di ba? Good morning, ba?
Good morning,
Ah,
Babs.
ganon.
Good morning,
Good
dear.
morning. Oo.
Yes.
Dahil dyan, gagawa natin ng podcast si CSC. Good morning, Charo.
Diba?
GMC.
Oh,
diba?
diba? Kulang na lang ng R para GMRC.
Oo.
Oo. So, Ma'am Charo, of course, we're not gonna let you go without you sharing with us, diba, your plethora of knowledge when it comes to TikTok choreography.
Ay,
Oh my
Feel
God.
Diba?
Diyos ko.
Ano ba yung mga...
Nanonood lang din ako.
Paturo naman kami dyan. Ano ba yung mga moves nyo, diba?
Oo.
Siyempre yung chicken banana.
Ay,
diba?
sige.
banana.
Alam nyo yan, di ba? Chicken banana.
Chicken banana. I love it. It's giving
Yan.
farm and produce.
chicken,
Banana.
banana.
chicken, banana. I love-
Meron din kaming ituturo sa inyo ni Baos,
Okay.
Mang Charo. We call it kayod,
Kayod pa.
Oh, sige.
So,
Paano
ganito ang
yan?
magiging step.
Okay.
Kayod, kayod pa.
Kayod,
Kayod pa. Veki na. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ba?
Sige.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Kayod, kayod pa. Kayod, kayod pa. Veki na. Yes.
Oh.
Kasi ang totoo naman kumakain ng sa buhay ay ang mga bakla. Yun lang naman talaga yun eh. Diba?
At mahilig magbakasyon mga Bex. Eme lang po.
Yes. Pero, Ma'am Charo, thank you for saying yes to this lovely
Thank
interview.
you. My pleasure.
I guess
my
because
pleasure.
people always come to you or look at you as a big source of wisdom and ease and calm. We are heading into the new year. We don't know what lies ahead. But what is, a nugget of inspiration that you can share with us?
Yes.
Just live. Despite all the uncertainties, no? You stay grounded, know your priorities, and be happy always.
Ang ganda. I love it.
Diba?
Para kung kausap yung nanay ko ngayon. Be happy.
Yeah.
Live.
Diba?
Live.
Just live. And on that note, ang aming closing song ay How do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Charo.
Thank you.
Happy
Thank
New Year,
you.
everyone.
Yes,
New
Happy New
Year.
Year. Happy New Year, everyone.
And dahil dyan, palakpakan po natin ang nag-iisang The
Legendary Charo Santos! Ito na ang maalaala mo kaya, Budots version. Maalaala mo kaya. Tan 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 tan.
Ang
Maalaala
sumpa mo sa akin.
Tan 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 tan.
ang pag-ibig mo ay hindi magmamaluin.
Ha! Ha! Thank you! Sis, cheers to 2025.
Cheers indeed,
Oh,
sis.
my. Honestly, itong si Dog Show Divas, ang dami nating naging wins. I mean, of course, the collabs, the brand deals, but for me, ang biggest win is, I think, just being able to share our queer joy.
Indeed.
With mothers, with OFWs, with Gen Zs. It's giving everyday wins.
Everyday wins that exudes everyday celebrations.
Correct.
Diba? At yung mga celebrations na yan, dapat yan, walang maliit or walang malaki. Because every day, we live, di ba?
Correct, diba?
Oo. Tsaka alam mo, in fairness dito sa drink natin, ha? It's a celebration. I love the taste.
Yes, this is Johnny Walker Blonde. Kung nandun kayo sa aming live show,
Yeah.
alam yung dinog show namin ng Johnny Walker Blonde. Pero totoo talaga because when you share the celebration, hindi po kailangan maghintay ng New Year, ng Christmas to win. Or
Totoo.
to celebrate a win.
Totoo naman, because every day is a celebration. Kunwari, maging happy ka dahil makakapag-travel ka na. That's a celebration.
Yes.
That's an everyday win.
Makauwi ka sa bahay mo 10 minutes earlier than expected kasi walang traffic doon sa isang usual choke point. Everyday win yun, dear.
Or, lastly, mapanood mo ulit yung favorite mong movie sa streaming app. It's an everyday win, di
Correct.
ba?
So I think for the upcoming year, gawin yung New Year's resolution yan. Pilitin nyo na everyday, alamin nyo, what was my win today?
Totoo yan, my dear.
Correct.
And definitely, for next year, isama nyo sa everyday win nyo ang Johnny Walker Blonde.
Correct. It's blonde. JW Blonde.
It's best served shared.
It's best served with friends.
Truly.
Yes. To, staying friends in 2025, pagdasal nyo because marami sa inyo gusto nyo mag-away na kami.
Oo, ba't nyo kami pinag-aaway? Huwag ganon.
Huwag ganun.
Hanggang 2080 ang friendship na ito.
Correct. So, at least alam nyo hanggang kailan. So, 2081, that is when we will no longer be friends.
Dahil nasa na kami, blonde na kami.
Correct. Tama!
Okay, Johnny Walker, best served
Served
shared. Cheers.
Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go, ow, ow, ow. As you leave them going, ow, ow. Honestly, Katy Perry and Sex Bomb Dancer, somebody make that happen already.
Correct. Hindi pa nangyayari ever in the Philippine television.
Aha.
Kailangan matupad yan.
Correct. Sex bomb Katie, naglilingkod.
Parang papasok siya sa Star Patrol.
Diba?
No?
Ganun.
Sex bomb
Katie!
But,
Oh.
naman, I am a molecule fan and always a mitochondria fan.
I love
I cannot
it.
say the word kasi, it's all in the elements.
Since you talked about the elements, did you ever like yung subject na chemistry nung high school?
Of course. Oo. I love the periodic table because everybody has the elements of
Correct.
the periodic table,
Correct.
halos lahat yan merong atom number.
Diba? Atom number. Love that.
I know.
Diba?
Yeah.
Saka gusto ko yung mga instrument. Beaker, Erlenmeyer flask, Bunsen burner. Ah,
Taray.
Grabe.
Bunsen burner. Sounds like parang burn book.
diba?
Oo.
Kaano-ano ni Bunsen burner? Si Regina George.
Correct. Ano ang kanilang relasyon?
Relasyon?
Querida, keme relasyon.
Correct. Pero ito na nga, this is officially the last episode of the year.
Correct. Imagine. I think kung susumahin natin lahat ng mga na-record nating episodes,
Correct.
podcast-wise only,
Aha.
not the year-end special,
Aha.
ilan na halos lahat?
I think as of this recording, nakapag-publish na tayo ng 15 at nakapag-record na tayo ng 18 episodes.
Oh my God, what a feat!
Correct. So yes, until now, hindi pa rin po namin nilalabas siguro yung Tondo episode. So hindi nila magets kung bakit
Oo
nag-reference
nga
ng Ice Peak.
Sana ilabas natin ang Tondo episode
Aha.
bago pumutok ang Chinese New Year.
Correct. Oo.
Ay, teka lang, may nagdo-doorbell.
May nagdo-doorbell na, may bisita
Naku,
na naman
meron ulit
tayo.
tayong
Sias.
bisita.
Oo,
Nako,
oo.
alam mo, itong bisita natin na to talagang inabangan ko ito sa Studio 23.
Correct.
Days.
Bago pa natin officially sinement ang term na friend of the pod,
Correct.
sa episode 0 pa lang, talaga nga namang friend of the pod na tayo.
Siya na
agad.
talaga.
Oo.
A true friend of the pod, but also very iconic.
I mean, always just so easy and oozing with charisma.
Nerve and talent.
Diba?
Correct.
Welcome, RuPaul! Charing, di joke
Eme lang.
lang. Oo, kayo naman, no?
Ayan na. Ladies and gentlemen and friends of the pod, let's all welcome.
Bianca Gonzalez!
Ayan, ang ating kabarkada.
Correct!
Hello.
Nakaka-impossible naman
Oo.
talaga siya.
Indeed.
Diba?
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year sa amin. Happy Halloween sa'yo.
Yes!
Oo. Diba?
O, diba?
Hindi lang friend of the pod, fan of the pod.
Aw.
Thank you so much.
Oh, isang karangalan naman.
Salamat
Oo.
naman,
Dito.
Miss
Have a seat.
Bianca.
Pinaghandaan ko kayo.
Mukha nga. Nakakatuwa
Grabe.
lang kasi like, nag-podcast kami sa podcast ng isa't isa. Nagkasama kayo sa isang hosting gig recently. So finally, ito na ang official General Assembly nating tatlo.
Thank
Correct.
you. Kilig na kilig ako every time may konting pahapyo ng, yes, si Bianca sa Dog Show Divas. Love
Of
it!
course, always a friend of the pod.
Yeah.
So this is our New Year episode, December 31 ngayon. Imaginein mo lahat ng tao naghahanda ng magtoroto, tumalon mamayang gabi para tumangkad. 'Di ba? Pero I guess for you, like, how was your 2025?
A lot?
Yeah.
Oh, see? Yan na.
Madami.
No explanation needed.
Yeah.
I think for a lot of people, a lot.
Oo.
Yeah.
Filipinos in general, a lot talaga.
Correct.
But for you, how was it? Kasi syempre, PBB collab.
A lot talaga, pero both good and challenging.
Oh.
So, in a nutshell, parang gumalang yung 2025 sa dami ng ganap,
Oo.
tsaka sa bigat ng mga naganap.
Kumbaga, sa bigat ng ganap, kung ihahalin tulad natin ang 2025 sa isang prutas, anong prutas ito, Miss Bianca?
Mangga?
Sakto, mangga.
Mangga.
Oo. Favorite fruit ko ang
Favorite
mangga.
ko din. Kaya din yung naisip ko. Pero yung rason ay, kasi di ba yung mangga minsan, tamis.
Mm-mm.
Tapos minsan naman, asin.
Asin.
Yes.
Ang tulis.
Correct.
Ganon.
Juicy.
Juicy.
Ang mahal. May
Yes.
ganon, diba?
Oo.
Ang mahal. Oh my God.
Correct.
For this year.
But wait, manggang hilaw or manggang hinog?
Manggang hinog.
Of course. We always love a ripe mango.
Diba?
Yes.
The price is ripe, sabi nga nila.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kumbaga, the rhythm of the ripe. The rhythm of the
The
ripe.
ripe.
Oo.
And then kung ang 2025 mo naman ay isang Starbucks drink size, anong size ito in terms of just the the experience that it was?
Mga 3 venti.
Tatlong
Ang dami.
Because it's a lot. At
It's a
saka
lot.
kinailangan ko din ng napakaraming kape this year para survive.
Ay, wait, speaking of
Diba?
kape, what's your go-to flavor?
I
or
love that you
parang
asked that
timpla?
kasi I love coffee. Dati mocha, ngayon
Oo.
Spanish latte.
Spanish
Ay,
latte.
oo. Yes, that's
diba?
my favorite.
Ano nga bang sabi mo, ang baklang Spanish latte ang gusto ay?
Ang baklang Spanish latte, ang gusto ay laging creative at spontaneous. Oo. Kasi may mga bading na mahilig sa Americano,
Yes.
sa mga macchiato,
Mm.
diba?
Cold brew.
Yes. A cold brew ka.
Yeah, gusto ko yung sapak agad, gising agad.
Dream ko yan, yung makainom ng parang black kasi yun yung healthiest eh. Pero gusto ko rin sweet, milky.
Siyempre, gusto naman natin ng konting tamis ng
Yes.
buhay.
Oo.
Diba?
Pero I love it, 3.20.
Oo,
so
3.20.
60, no? Ang tawag
I'm sure
mo.
dami yung kape din this year.
Oo naman.
Marami.
Lalo na this end of the year dahil talagang peak ng career.
Grabe, alam mo, feeling ko nga, Miss B, parang yung kidney ko, parang, tama na ha, magtubig-tubig tayo ng kaunti, no? May mga gano'n. Well, speaking of 2025, if I remember it correctly, nagkaroon ka ng stint din with Mix.
Wala mix.
Wala
None
mix.
with mix.
Not with Mix, but with Studio 23.
Kabarkada
Speak.
mo.
Yes,
Yeah.
why speak?
Pwede bang i-throwback natin ng a little bit
Okay.
before we delve into the...
Ako, hindi na to alam ng mga Gen Z. Hello sa mga Gen X and Millennials.
Yes,
na
the millennials will potentially relate to
Yes.
this.
Correct.
Yung Why Speak, i-throwback mo kami ng bahagya.
Bahagya.
Paano na Paano ka napunta sa Why Speak?
Alala niyo yung show dati na Mare at Pare? With
Sa Studio 23?
GMA7
Okay.
with Winnie Monson.
So, Winnie Monson,
oo.
yes.
Yes,
oo.
Mare at Pare, parang balitaktakan.
Correct.
Gusto nila ng ganon, pero pang kabataan. And then, nilagay ng ABS-CBN si Karen Davila and Ryan Agoncillo to host Why Speak. Tapos sabi na, kailangan natin ng batang host para dun sa audience, mga ganon.
Oo.
Yes. At that time, nag-host na ako on the side and I was hosting a cinnamon show called Review Night with Ryan Agoncillo. So because nag-click kami ni Ryan, sabi na, try natin yan si Bianca. So ako yung sa audience, yes, thank you Karen, thank you Ryan. Ano namang opinion mo sa issue? Ganon. Ganon ang
okay.
simula ko.
Ayun.
Courtside reporter levels pala
Oo,
siya.
pero sa debatihan.
Sa debatihan.
Kaya nga nung first episodes of the pod, when we were talking about ni Baus, kung magkakaroon ng trio tagapayo, Miss Bianca Gonzalez would be one of the trio tagapayo kasi you have that charismatic energy, very gentle, soft, tapos so yun nga, doon pala nag-umpisa yun.
But also Ryan Agoncillo, bastion of hosting din.
Yes.
Ryan Agoncillo, Diyos
Super.
me. Pero mapunta pa tayo sa mga if 2025 were a blank. Siguro ang last is, if 2025 were a song, anong song to? Tatay namin kantahin.
Sarah G, ikot-ikot.
Okay.
Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot.
Ganda ng blending ninyo!
Thank you. It's like Spanish latte
Yeah.
blended.
Correct, twice
Yes.
blended.
Oo.
Ganda.
Pero totoo, pinaikot-ikot
Yeah.
tayo, no? High,
Hanggang
slow.
yun, to the very last day
I
of
know.
2025.
Yeah, I mean, grabe. Parang Filipinos, wake up.
Yes.
Diba?
No, but that's what we also love about you, di ba? Yung activism is still very, very strong. We talked about this in an interview before. Even yung kids mo, you want to expose them as early as now as to like how the real world actually looks like.
And you know what? Aside from that also, yung voice mo, 'di ba? Very important din sa amin. I mean, as content creators, diba very parang, oh my God, si Miss Bianca finally nagsalita siya and same sentiments kami. So, may eagerness din yung mga bata or I mean yung same age natin na me too. Ganon.
Grabe yung responsibilidad.
Diba?
Salamat.
Yes, as in, thank you. You're the bastion of voice.
Correct.
Oh my God, The Voice.
The voice.
Pwedeng maging si Miss Bianca.
Nag-host ako ng The Voice!
Ay.
This is the
Voice. Kids.
Kids.
Alam ko
Tsaka
kids
teens.
So nakita
isang
mo ba?
kids tsaka teens.
Yes, yun nga. Tsaka, pero gusto ko sana
Yung ganun, hindi.
Ay, di mo
Hindi pa
nakita
yun.
yun.
Hindi pa
But
ako
you are
host
fully
doon.
aware of the
Of
power of
course.
that moment.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oo. Kung ikaw ang papipiliin, kung halimbawa ako ang producer, ng The Voice.
Mm.
The Voice Adults version. Sino ang judges na pipiliin mo?
Yeah, mga bagong coaches
Kunwari
na.
lang
Ah,
Kunwari,
mga
you have the freedom. Oo.
coach. Magbibigay ako ng, kasi tatlong red chair yun.
Tatlong red
Oo.
chair.
I think, unang chair, kasi usually yung mga coach yung mga iniidolo. So, siksikan sila sa isang chair, Beanie.
Beanie.
8. So,
Okay.
depende na kung like, pag ano yung
Love
chair.
it.
Pwede,
Very
diba?
dog show yung answer ni Miss Beanie.
Yes.
So, lahat ng Beanie
Beanie.
nandun.
Andun agad lahat.
Oo.
Okay.
I would still like to retain Coach Bamboo, the OG.
Oh, the
Coach.
OG,
Camp
yes.
Kawayan,
Camp
Kaway.
Correct,
Yes.
Camp Kawayan. And then,
Tapos isa pa, siguro si Kuya Ogie. Hindi pa siya nakapag-coach.
Correct.
Singer-songwriter.
Yeah.
Diba?
Producer.
Actually, and
Pwede.
comedian as well.
Yes.
Talagang like a well-rounded artist.
Yes.
And
so,
then nabigyan-
pipili na lang sila sinong bet nila.
I love
OPM,
it.
pop, rock.
Yeah,
Diba?
all the genres.
Oo.
Kaya lang nagkaroon pa ng isa eh.
Ano, sino yung
pang
fourth
isa for
chair?
you?
Kayo, sinong recommend?
Siguro-
Alam mo,
Mm.
mag-ate Reg na tayo.
Ay, magkalaban sila mag-asawa.
Yun!
Ay, pwede.
Kung saan malali.
Parang ano sila, no? Parang hindi, ako yung naunang nag-bus eh.
Ako, di ba? Hindi
Hindi,
kita
akin.
ipagluluto pag hindi mo binigay
Oo,
sa akin
ganon.
yung talent na
Oo.
yan.
Hindi,
Oo.
akin,
Oo,
ganon.
di ba? Tapos they will settle the fight via song. Kakanta silang
Ay.
dalawa.
Correct.
Sing off.
Sing off.
Tapos, mamimili yung contestant. Sinong pipiliin mo?
Mm-mm.
Team Ogie o Team Reg?
Tapos
Ganon.
sabihin nila, sabihin na lang po pala.
Okay. Eto naman, no? Alam mo, speaking of, syempre yung mga TV shows na naging host ka, let's talk about PBB.
Yes.
Very iconic.
Mhm.
Dahil ikaw ang tinawag na ate ng pamilya ni Kuya.
Correct.
Asan ate na?
As an
yes.
ate, paano ito nangyari? Itong history ng PBB for you.
Yung term na ate rin as well.
I think kasi the PBB composition of hosts nag-change through the years. The very, very first season, of course, was Willie. Hindi yun alam na maraming tao. Willie Revillame with Tony and Mariel.
PBB?
Yes!
Season 1?
Nene
Nene
Tamayo.
Tamayo?
You
Rico
can look it up.
Barrera?
This is the
Diba?
first. You are the first Pinoy.
Diba?
Big brother.
10,000!
Yeah,
Oo.
wala pa nun.
Wala
Wala,
pa.
pa yung era na yun.
Wala pa. Iba.
Yes,
Oh, wow.
Willie Revillame did the first season.
Willie Revillame.
Revillame.
Nene!
Yes.
Nene! Anong kulay?
Ang galing.
One season.
Okay.
And then nung second edition, which was the one I joined na, so Celebrity Edition 1, si Kiana Reeves yung winner namin. Tony and Mariel na. And then Luis would help out, Luis Manzano.
Mm-mm.
And then after ko maging housemate, it was the Kim Chu edition, host na ako. So that whole era was the Tony Mariel Bianca edition na.
Mm.
And then Robbie joined, so naging Tony, me, and Robbie. And then from there, mix-mix na lahat. Until now, finally, naging pamilya ni Kuya. Ako na yung ate, kasi
Oo.
everyone's younger eh. Robbie, Enchong,
Oo.
Melay,
Yeah.
Kim, and then we have now Alexa na mas bata.
Oo.
And then sa collab, we had Gabby and Mavi. So, very ate na talaga.
So, basically right now, ikaw ang connective tissue
Ay,
ng mga hosts and the new ones and
Oo.
yung mga bumabalik. I love it.
She is the building block of the
Correct.
hosts.
Diba? She
Oo.
is the Vulcasil of the host.
ang ganda
Oo,
nun.
correct.
Oo.
Diba?
Ikaw ang fiber.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero yun nga, so I think rin because, sa PBB, people want that big PBB break, diba? It's symbolic of a dream coming true and the dreams of their families
Parang
coming
nga siyang
true.
the Filipino dream eh.
It
Yeah,
is.
it is. Para siyang American Idol.
Exactly.
Mga time na yan.
Diba? So I guess sa mga taong dreamers out there, young or old, those who wanna join PBB or just go chase their dreams, ano ang message mo sa kanila after seeing real, actual dreamers like be in front of the public?
Oh gosh, sobrang dami na kasing major stars galing sa PBB. I mentioned Kim, I mentioned Melay, Robbie as well, Joshua, Maris, dami. Maymay. Every housemate, whether mag-artista o hindi after, is to still continue to dream big, pero
Yes.
keep their feet on the ground. Sobrang
Tama.
important.
Humility talaga is very important, no?
Or like yung parang connected ka pa rin sa
Oo.
kung saan ka nagsimula.
Correct.
Yung since tawag ni Tito Boy na core mo, ganyan.
Yeah,
Importante yun.
tama.
Kasi pag biglang sikat, ang hirap.
Oo.
Minsan, ang hirap to maintain that.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
It's good that you mentioned like yung keeping your feet on the ground is staying like attuned to your core. Siguro for the people out there, what continues to be your core that you go back to, especially deep into this like seasoned career of yours?
I think pinag-usapan natin to when we spoke on your pod, I believe. I think as long as connected ako to goodness, service, integrity, parang yun ang naalala ko na sabi ko sa'yo. Yun yung ayoko mawala.
Ganda.
Kahit na mag-iba na ang ibang bagay-bagay.
Yun naman ang importante. The 4 elements of professionalism.
Correct.
Ano yung 4 elements?
Integrity,
Okay.
Goodness,
groundedness or humility.
and then miscellaneous for everything else.
Ang ganda.
Yeah,
Yes,
oo. Basta walang fee. Kasi pag may fee, school na yun.
Correct.
Oo, tuition fee na yun.
Ang dami hidden charges.
Correct.
Daming hidden charges.
Mm-mm.
Ngayon naman, if syempre you're the host of PBB now, kunwari mapasok kami ni
Ang
Baus
saya!
sa PBB, sa tingin mo, sino sa aming dalawa ang
Unang
unang
ma-evict?
ma-evict? Sa
Wala.
tingin mo lang? Hindi, be
No, I think wala.
honest.
No, yeah.
Really?
Oo. Lalo na ngayon, duo, yung last namin
ganun
duo
ba
edition
ngayon?
ngayon, group, magsistay kayo.
Talaga?
Manonominate kayo. I don't think hindi kayo
I mean,
hindi manonominate.
Kailangan namin
but you
ng
will
text
stay.
vote.
Oo, kailangan namin ng text
Iboboto
vote.
iboboto niyo ba sila? Oo, iboboto kayo ng taong bayan.
Talaga?
I love
Please
it.
do. I-send nyo na yan sa 2366.
366, diba? Saan na ba nagtitext ngayon? Kung hindi na 2366,
Meron kaming parang voting partner app, ganyan.
voting partner.
Meron, yeah.
Magbabayad ka ng 250 ready ba? Tapos parang, 250.
Bibigay ko ba to?
Oo.
Alam mo, ma-share ko lang nung celebrity edition ng PBB, si Ethel Buba, siya yung nirurut ko.
Season 2.
Season
Celebrity
2,
2.
Celebrity
yes,
2.
Yes.
So, hihiramin ko yung cellphone ng nanay ko. Yung nanay ko, nakaano siya, postpaid. So,
Ay.
Vote ng vote. Pero may limit, parang 20 votes a day.
20
parang
votes.
ganyan.
Save Ethel, Keme, and send to. Tapos pag dadating na yung
BB space Ethel to 2366.
Ganon.
Yes.
Oh my God, laki ng bill.
Kasi sinasagal mo yung 20 na
Oo,
limit.
every time na maano
Tsaka
si
everyday
Ethel.
yun. So, ibig sabihin na next day pwede ka rin
Oo,
bumoto.
grabe
Alam mo, to
yan.
this day, well, konti na lang naman. Dati mas marami. Pag nagsabi, uy, binoto kita dati. Oh, thank you. Yung parang gusto ko silang balikan ng 20 pesos.
Kasi
para sa
250
mga
yun, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
Ang laking bagay.
Malaking bagay yun.
Correct.
Nakaka-touch.
The power of voting in
Yes.
PBB.
Yes.
Sobrang
And
importante.
2366, I mean,
Iconic.
I think 2366 deserves a big comeback.
I think si 2366 and si 4627.
Correct.
Yung,
yeah.
yung,
Pag ibang network ka,
Pag
parang
ibang network.
4627. Oo.
Sorry, beeper lang meron ako.
Wow! Kim Possible.
Actually, wala akong beep. Hindi ako dumaan. Cellphone agad.
Cellphone
Hindi ako
agad.
nag-beeper.
3110 agad, ganon.
Yung blue, yung parang pwedeng batuhin, tapos hindi mo.
33
Yung may
cents.
daming color. Yun ba? Yes, 3310.
Yeah, 3310.
Yes.
So, naglaro ka rin ng Snake.
Of course.
And Space Impact.
Yes, tapos parang ang game-changing nung two-player snake.
Correct.
Ay, oo.
Pwede ako mag-play na may
Nakaganon.
katapat.
Diba?
Ang laking bagay.
Infrared
Diba?
lang. yun.
Yung Cocomelo ng mga bata, wala yan, dear.
Oo.
Oh, no. So now, dahil alam ko tayo rin ay mga mahilig sa horoscope,
Ay,
zodiac
I love
sign. At tayo ay, we are looking ahead to the year. Whether we like it or not is something that we have to face. Okay, so we pulled out some horoscopes here, horoscope natin at ng mga partners natin. Para we cover a lot of ground.
Okay.
So pareho kayong Pisces, so I will read your horoscope out loud and just take what resonates. Tell me ang initial reaction nyo.
Pisces girl.
Pisces girls, 'di ba? Okay, here you go. Sabi sa Pisces, 2026 is a year for grounding your creative visions and personal growth through practical efforts and discipline. Patience and planning are your greatest assets, leading to lasting success and emotional maturity.
Taray, emotional maturity.
Diba?
What do you feel about it, B? As a fellow fish?
Diba ang Pisces kilala na emotional?
Yeah.
In
We're very
touch with
sensitive.
Yes. So, sana magkaroon ng more emotional maturity.
Yeah,
Oo.
because that's what I'm lacking of right now. Joke lang.
Pero mas nung teens, 20s, I think pitong 30s, mas kalma konti.
Mas kalma
Lalo na
konti.
40s, mas
Yeah.
kalma.
Oo.
Dahil pareho kayong Pisces, and I think very rare tong pareho kayong Pisces that we have sa pod. What's a Pisces-like quality na mas inon nyo na ngayong in your 30s?
40s.
For L.
Sa'yo,
30s and 40s.
Oh.
Ako, iyan, yung pagiging emotional.
Yeah.
Yung parang everything na lang affected ka. Dati parang ano ba yan? Hassle. Pero
Oo.
ngayon, in-embrace ko na siya.
In-embrace mo. So, you learned na talagang gano'n na.
Yes.
Oo.
Tsaka pwede mo naman siya gamitin to your advantage.
Oh,
diba?
yeah. Yeah, I think may ano naman for that would be sensing others' emotions or the vibe of the room.
Alam mo, ganyan ako dati parang, I remember, kunyari manonood ako ng TV Patrol, tas may
Oo.
sobrang nakaka-affect na news. Yung parang, I feel the pain deeply. Tas
wow.
iniisip ko, yung ibang tao din ba nararamdaman yung ganito. Parang,
ganyan.
okay naman, di ko naman kaano-ano, pero talagang nanonood. Ganun.
Ako ramdam ko siya. Kunwari, pagramdam kong pressure the production, pressure the team.
You feel the energy
I
of the
feel
room.
it. Sometimes
Yes.
naaano ko siya, na-absorb ko siya. So ako very affected ako. So may tendency akong mag-sprack. May tendency din na wala lang, hindi na mag-sprack. Parang okay, just let it go. But yeah, emotional maturity is something that will resonate more in 2026. Yeah. So I think naman, for Aries, si Baus is an Aries, fire sign. So, eto naman yung sayo. Ang sabi, 2026 is predicted to be a year of significant personal growth, career advancement, and financial stability. Though it will require discipline, patience, and adaptability to navigate key challenges.
Parang ngayon pa lang nararamdaman ko nang doon ako dinadala ng alon ng buhay.
Oo.
Especially like, I guess when you're in your 30s, parang wala ka ng excuse. Meaning yung mga bad habits mo na dati sinasabi mo, you know what, I can try to sharpen or fix that later. Ngayon parang no, I have to work on them na if I want to take things to like the next frontier.
Oo. Tsaka, I mean, ako kasi Aries moon
Yes,
ako eh.
oo.
So, may fire sign on my birth chart. So, ganun din ako na parang, okay, if I want to have a goal, okay, we have to work on it, ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero minsan naglalaban din siya with Pisces na hindi, lang, go with the flow. Pero, yon.
Pero parang yung horoscope nakalagay patience.
Patience
Yeah,
pareho.
patience.
Hirap maging patient.
Ang hirap maging patient.
Oo. Parang
Diyos
sa
ko.
panahon ngayon.
Diba? Presyo ng bilihin papaano, traffic papaano, governance papaano.
Oo. Paano ba to?
Yes.
Paano
Paano
ba?
talaga?
At dahil horoscope na rin naman to, we won't be able to include every sign there is because that will take up until 2026 probably. Pero siguro si McCoy, ang partner niya is a Leo. Basa ang para sa mga Leo.
Okay, a year of transformation, growth, and opportunities to step into a leadership role. Appropriate naman because my partner is looking forward to have a raise, but also a higher position in his job. So, yeah, akma naman.
Akma, pasok sa banga.
Correct.
Ang partner ko naman na Taurus, sabi dito, 2026 for the Taurus indicates a year of steady growth and emotional stability and professional rewards. After a period of significant changes, 2026 offers a chance to build a more solid and secure foundation in various aspects of life.
Parang aligned yung horoscopes ninyo.
Oo nga, actually. Patience, stability, and very Taurus-like yung forecast sa kanya because sa mga Taurus, gusto talaga niya like steady lang. But for the horoscope to be, if you keep being a Taurus, you're on the right path. I think that is great news for the Taurus man in my life.
Same pala kayo ni JC na water sign.
Yes.
So, he is a Scorpio.
Yes.
Prediction.
Scorpio, sana nakikinig ka, mahal. Okay. Ito ang horoscope mo. Predicted to be a year of significant transformation, strategic growth, emotional depth, requiring patience. Lahat may patience?
Correct.
Gaano ka-challenging ba 2026? Lahat kailangan ng patience. And integrity to navigate challenges. Relationships will deepen through trust and emotional honesty. Emotional peace is the key to physical vitality this year.
Vitality.
We like vitality.
Yeah, medyo match din kayo, di ba? Because if you're
Yes.
looking for emotional stability, meron din ditong emotional peace.
How does it work for you, both water signs, in a romantic relationship? I'm very
I don't know.
curious lang.
Nung una kami nag-meet, lagi ako nag-google na parang is Pisces and Scorpio. Di ba? Ganyan
Compatible,
tayo.
oo.
Like it's the highest compatibility.
Oo.
So,
Yeah.
in fairness naman, it has proven to be true.
Who is more, kasi water sign Scorpio so who is more emotional?
Ako. Pero yung pagka-emotional niya is more of, he keeps it to himself. Pero like, pag napuno na siya, grabe emotions.
Iba mag-burst
yes.
ang mga Scorpios pag nagagalit.
Our two daughters are Scorpio also. So, tatlo silang
Wow.
Scorpio.
So, paano?
Family. Na ayon kay Kim Chu, na isa ding zodiac master,
Oo.
swerte daw kapag in your home, you have 3 of the same sign.
Talaga?
Yes.
Diba?
Di mo man, no?
Pero diba, 3 na ang venti drink mo, 3 pa ang Scorpio mo sa bahay.
Yeah. Ay! Gising na gising.
Gising na
Gising na
gising.
gising.
Oh, nakakaloka. Okay, so siguro now, coming into the year ahead, mag-manifest tayo. Ano
Ay,
mga
ang
like
ganda.
pinapangarap natin for ourselves naman and maybe
Ah.
for the people around us.
What is your ano yung minamanifest mo for 2026?
Alam mo, to be honest, sa sobrang crazy, puno, ikot-ikot ng year na to, hindi pa ako nagkaka-time na tumahimik to think ano ba talaga yung gusto ko sa 2026. Kasi 'di ba parang pag ganyan, kailangan talaga you have quiet time. Hindi mo maririnig yung sarili mo thinking if like busy. Lahat tayo ngayon nasa gitna ng stuff. So, siguro top of mind is in general good health.
Yeah.
Sobra. Yung gusto ko to take care of myself even better sa workout, sa kain, tulog, yan. Yun ang
Yeah.
top of mind.
Top of mind. Ikaw, how about you?
Ako yung patience talaga. Gusto ko talagang, kasi ang Aries din talaga ever since kami sila impulse, decisive,
really?
agad-agad,
Okay.
charge ahead. So parang feeling ko, a little bit of patience can really go a long way for me.
Yeah, oo.
Ikaw?
Me, top of mind, kasi busy din Ay, wala pa akong quiet time.
Which, thank you Lord din naman.
Oo
Thank you, Lord,
naman.
din naman.
Thank you,
It pays the
Lord.
bills,
Yes.
'di ba? Support the fam. For me, siguro, peace of mind.
Ganda.
Kasi my mind is magulo, daming pumapasok, daming naiisip, gawin natin to, gawin natin yan, pause tayo dito, pause dito. So, I just want peace of mind. And when you have peace of mind, it will also manifest to your health, diba? To your overall well-being.
Yes.
Sa ganda mo.
Sa
Diba?
ganda,
Diba?
sa kung ang makeup ba ay kakapit today.
Correct. Para,
Totoo.
Diba? Pag stress ka, hindi ko
Hindi ko
makapit yung
makapit,
foundation
para
Oo.
rejuve na rejuve ka.
Yes.
Diba?
Oh my God, Rejuve set for
Uy,
Miss
kinuha na
Bianca.
ba kayo endorsers? Kasi parang it's high time.
I mean, paulit-ulit na kami sa rejuve set.
Yes.
I mean, at this point, baka mag-self-fund na lang kami. We'll make our
Ng
own
sariling
rejuve
rejuve
set.
set.
Total,
Correct.
mahilig
Okay.
naman kami sa elements ng
Okay.
ng chemistry. Kami na lang ang magfo-formulate.
Correct.
Ganda.
Oo. Bahala na kung anong nandun. But just trust us na lang, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Ganda.
And siguro, sabi kasi nila, ang manifestation practice daw, lalo lang daw siyang nasesement kung meron tayong gagawing ritual.
Ay,
So
okay.
tayo ay maglalaro ng appear, disappear. Alam niyo naman yun, di ba?
Wait lang, pardon my ignorance kasi ang alam kong appear disappear is yung appear disappear ng sex bomb.
Correct. Or
Alam
minsan,
ko yung appear, disappear, 1/2, 1/4,
Oh,
1/4,
1/4, 1/2.
that's the one. Pero minsan
Ayun
ang appear,
yun,
disappear
okay.
ay ang accountability ng mga government officials.
Tama naman.
Minsan yun din. Pero yung
Yeah.
tayong appear, disappear, 1/2, 1/4, 1/4, 1/2, disappear, appear. So, tayo ay gagawa
I love
ng
it.
manifestation circle. Dito
Okay.
na lang, move
So,
closer na lang.
kailangan iisipin natin yung manifest.
Correct. Iisipin natin. And then together, we will play appear, disappear in 3, 2, 1, and appear, disappear, 1/2, 1/4, 1/4, 1/2, disappear, appear. Ayan na siya. I love it. Nilunok niya agad.
May
Siyempre, kailangan.
Kailangan.
Sabi nga ni Sweet Lapus, kailangan mong lunukin.
Correct.
Ang pride.
But that's it. Thank you so much,
Thank
Kim
you.
Possible.
Thank you.
Miss Bianca. We've always wanted to do an episode na, medyo like soft and
Oo.
earnest. Kasi parang ito na rin yung pahinga din namin sa totoo
Oo.
lang.
Oo. Pero bago natin bago tayo mag-say bye-bye to Miss Bianca, fantasy, alam mo naman to, di ba?
Aha.
Ikaw ay isang magiging X-Men member.
Oh my God.
Ano ang character na gusto mong gampanan?
There's only one. Jean Grey.
Di ba?
Bagay na bagay,
I'm
di
so
ba?
Jean
Diba?
Grey. Wow, feel the feel.
Diba?
I'm so Jean Grey.
Very powerful, but also the bastion of migraines and nosebleed.
Yes!
Correct.
Diba?
Control
Exactly.
it. Wait, bagay sa kanya yung
Sobrang
Jean Grey.
bagay.
As in, nung pinanood ko yun, nag-attach ako sa agad sa
Kaya.
kanya.
Bagay sa kanya.
Thank you so
Honestly, I
much.
think Jean Grey is a Pisces. I wouldn't be surprised.
Totoo.
Oo, siya yun,
True.
siya yun.
Diba?
O sige, last na. Avengers character.
Oh my God, I love them all. That's so hard. Hindi siya superhero, pero kailangan siya ni Iron Man. Ako si Gwyneth Paltrow.
Ay, ang ganda.
Diba?
Oh my gosh, bagay na bagay.
I love it. I love Gwyneth
Yeah.
so
Love her.
much. I love
Oo.
it.
I
Just
love it.
go.
So you have Jean Grey and Gwyneth.
Correct.
Na nag-Iron Man suit din naman siya at one point.
Correct.
To save the
Oo,
world.
yeah.
Correct.
Diba? So baka kaya Super Bianca? Kasi talagang meron siyang dreams of becoming a superhero.
Ay,
So
super.
Marvel, let's make this happen.
Star
Let's,
Cinema,
diba?
galawin ang
Ex
baso.
Marvel.
Diba? Kayo na bahala kung anong gusto. Ready? Nag-costume. Actually, audition niya talaga
Yes.
to eh.
Oo.
Totoo.
Siya talaga to.
Call me, beep me.
Call
if
me,
you
beep
wanna reach
me. Yes.
me.
Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, an always friend of the pod,
Aw.
Miss Bianca Gonzalez Intal.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Congrats on a great year, Dacho Dear!
Thank you. Happy New Year, Bianca.
Happy New Year.